Creating and editing videos for YouTube is an exhilarating journey. First, start with a solid concept, something that excites you and resonates with your audience. Once you have your idea, script it out. This helps keep your content focused and engaging. Next, invest in good equipment. You don't need the fanciest gear. A decent camera and microphone can make a world of difference. When filming, pay attention to lighting. Natural light is your best friend. Now let's talk editing. Use software that suits your skill level. Cut out the fluff and keep the pace lively. Add graphics and music to enhance your message, but don't let them overshadow your content. Finally, optimize your video for search. Craft a catchy title, write a compelling description, and use tags wisely. Consistency is key, so keep creating and refining your style. Your unique voice is what will keep viewers coming back for more.